Hey guys, it's Robbie here.
Hello.
Hi
Guys.
Carla.
Soy Carla.
With Bloom Beauty. We are on our Glow Tour featuring Temptu. And Carla, thank you so much for having us.
Oh, thank you to Robbie for being here.
We're having a great class.
Claro, estamos muy contentos, estamos teniendo nuestra masterclass por primera vez aquí en México y bueno, pues muy felices de recibir a Robbie y a Ramón que nos están el día de hoy acompañando y tenemos pues ya todo el día aprendiendo mucho para hacer un maquillaje completo con aerógrafo. Si ustedes están interesados, si tienen pues algún tipo de experiencia con el aerógrafo o no lo tienen, pues bienvenidos a este tipo de clases donde Robbie pues nos lleva de la mano para que sepamos aplicar esa técnica correcta en el mundo del maquillaje profesional.
And Carla, guys, she is one of the distributors of Temptu here in Mexico City. She is on a goal to spread airbrush with consumers and professionals alike. We have a beautiful studio.
Claro.
So, should we show them the class?
Exacto.
All right.
Les vamos a enseñar bueno, donde estamos teniendo la clase y bueno, por supuesto estamos a sus órdenes con la venta de todo el producto de la marca Temptu y bueno, algunos cursos especializados.
And if you're not in this class, we'll try to be back in a few months.
Exacto. Tendremos uno próximamente. Les estaremos dando fechas para la próxima clase, masterclass.
All right, let's show them the classroom. What do you think? Can we follow you?
Come on.
All right, come on, let's go.
Go.
So look at our packed house.
Okay, this is a coffee break. This is the classroom.
All Temptu products.
Todos los chicos están en la parte práctica. Ellos están maquillando uno a otro y aplicando todas las técnicas que Robbie ya nos enseñó.
Yes. And the makeup artists are doing their models now. They're practicing. Full face beauty airbrush.
Tiene un maquillaje completo con aerógrafo.
They practice exercises and now they're doing the model. This is of course my makeup station, which is a mess right now. Thank you to our sponsors, Temptu, Twin Medics, Lucine Lashes, and Kryolon. And hey, here we are. This is the our Glow Tour Airbrush Masterclass featuring Temptu. And we have a beautiful student here who's been airbrushing for a while, but she wanted to take this class to learn some new techniques. Gracias. Hi, Ramon.
Ramón, say hello.
Hi, how's it going? Hola.
Alright guys, this is our Glow Tour Mexico City. If you own a beauty establishment, you can check out our website and host your own Glow Tour. This is the kickoff of our Latin America Glow Tour. We're going to be in Cortaro, Mexico, November the 11th, and Guadalajara, November the 13th with Erica Loyola. DM me or message her and we can get you a seat reserved. Thank you. Bye.